Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian shares nudged higher on Tuesday, tracking rallies in the United States and Europe as investors seemed to put aside geopolitical concerns, at least for the moment. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan added 0.3% after jumping 1.5% on Monday, while the Nikkei firmed 0.3%. There was also promising news on global trade, with the Philippines enjoying its fastest export growth in 6 months in June. The better mood came even though NATO chief Anders Fogh Rasmussen warned of a high probability that Russia, using the guise of a humanitarian mission, could intervene militarily in Ukraine. Ukraine has also said that, contrary to Russian reports of de-escalating, Russia has massed 45,000 troops on its border. The Australian dollar eased on Tuesday despite relatively strong economic data on housing and business sentiment. The data followed a slightly weaker than expected gain in Japan's capital goods price index. US dollar Japanese yen traded at 102.28, up 0.09%, and Australian dollar US dollar was flat at 0.9262, down 0.01%, after the house data and bank business survey. Japan's capital good price index rose 4.3% year-on-year in July, below the expected gain of 4.4%, but still the 16th straight increase. In Australia, the NAB's July business confidence showed +11, a jump from +8 in June, while business conditions surged to +8 from +2 in June. The house price index rose 1.8% compared to an expected 1.1% gain quarter-on-quarter. Fresh estimates on the outlook for Germany's economy will be a key event today via ZOO survey of financial executives. Germany's ZOO Economic Sentiment Index 9 GMT. Europe's leading economy will be in sharp focus, with today's update on how financial executives view the state of macro in Germany. Today's survey data from ZOO will help clarify the outlook, although not necessarily for the better. Expectations, not surprisingly, are relatively bearish. The consensus forecast sees the business expectations component for Germany sliding to 13.5 for August, down sharply from July's 27.1 reading. If accurate, the crowd will see a drop in this forward-looking benchmark to its lowest levels since December 2012. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.